In this lecture, we will create our first project. And I would always recommend creating a new project for different projects that you're working on, as this will keep each related part file together alongside any related assemblies and drawing files. So this will give you the quick and easy access to everything in one area. So to create our new project, we're going to come up to the top left where we have the 9 squares here, which is our data panel. Left click that once. And you'll see on my screen here that I've got a number of projects that I've already created. So I've got my automotive, my Fusion course project, general applications, military, personal, etc. All of these projects are stored within the cloud. And that's one unique thing about Fusion compared to traditional CAD programs, is that every file you work on is cloud-based. Whereas programs like Autodesk Inventor or SolidWorks would keep files either locally or stored within some sort of vault. And I really like that about Fusion, especially if you're working globally or you want to share files around the world. It's really fantastic for that. It's also quite safe and secure. You've got that backup there online. So to create our new project, let's go up here. Let's select New Project. And then you can name this how you like. So for me, I called it Fusion Course Project. So I've obviously already created this and I've got all my content within there. So feel free to call that, Fusion Course Project or how you like. And then once it's created, if you double click on that project, it should be completely empty within inside, and as you work your way through this course, you can add each of the files and assemblies, examples, exercises that we work on. A few options we have here when it comes to the interface, so we can open on the web. So if we select this, it's essentially exactly the same but on the web, and there are a few more options available on there as well. It's very rare that I use that, but if you prefer to navigate through your files online, then you can open on the web here. And you've also got the cog up here as well, which enables you to sort, so last updated name, also view differently as well, so it's a grid or a list. I typically view as list and I sort by name, but feel free to adjust those how you like. And that is how we create a project, and I would advise you to save all the files within this course, within that single project, and we'll be referencing them throughout this course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.